Zyl and Nova on planet Vivera. Zyl and Nova were the best explorers in the galaxy. Their ship, the Stardust Sneaker, zipped through space until they spotted it. Planet Vivera, swirling with impossible colors. "Ready for adventure, Zyl?" asked Nova. The Stardust Sneaker settled softly on Vivera's surface. When the ramp lowered, a burst of sweet, honey-scented air rushed in. The ground was spongy and painted with luminous moss. "Look, Nova," Zyl whispered. The trees here weren't brown or green. They were spiral towers of sapphire crystal, draped with petals that chimed like tiny bells when the breeze passed. Suddenly, a soft rustling sound came from a cluster of tall, feathery crimson ferns. Zyl and Nova froze. The ferns parted, and something small, round and covered in soft green moss rolled out. It was Shrumble, a creature with huge, gentle yellow eyes and tiny, twig-like legs. It was clearly shy, but its entire body pulsed with a faint, calming lavender light. Nova remembered her manners. She reached into her pocket and pulled out a small, sparkling blue starberry treat. She held it out slowly. "Hello," she chirped. Shrumble didn't eat the berry. Instead, it wobbled back into the ferns and came back holding a glittering, cube-shaped fruit that smelled like rain and sunshine. It placed the fruit right beside Nova's foot. "It's a gift," Zyl laughed, feeling brave now. "Shrumble wants to be friends." Shrumble made a happy, deep thrum sound and began wiggling its twig legs, pointing them toward a darker part of the forest. Shrumble led the way through winding vines and under arches of flowering stone. They were going to the glowing caves where Shrumble's friends lived. Everywhere Zyl and Nova looked, there was something new and wonderful. As they peered into the caves, hundreds of tiny, bioluminescent creatures floated like living confetti. Zyl and Nova held hands, their hearts full of the best feeling of all, realizing that discovery, wonder, and friendship shine brightest together.